I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create concrete fascia. And at the end of this video, you will learn how to create a curved concrete fascia like this. And you will also learn how to raise it, how to make it at different levels. And without wasting your time, let's get started. I'm going to go to the site. I'll go to site, then go to architecture tab, select model in place. I can select casework. Okay, so I will pick line and I'll start from here so that I'll be able to draw my profile on this elevation. Now I can pick all this line round now. That is that. And I'm going to go to first floor. Okay, and make sure all these are touching this wall. Okay, it's touching the wall, so I can finish it now and click on edit profile and go to west. I'll go to west, and where I am seeing this red marker, that is where I'm going to sketch my profile. So I am going to start from here. I will go in by 100 so that the if projection will be 100 mm, and I will go down by 150, press enter. I will go in by 145, I'll press enter, and I'll go down by 100, I'll press enter. I'm going to exit. Then I am going to go down by 500 so that the total thickness of the concrete fascia will be 500 mm. And I'm going to go to the right by 100. I'll go up again by 100, and I'll go to the side by 100 and press enter. And I'm going to select an arc, start from here and make sure it snap to this. Okay, there we go. I'll make it shallow. Yeah, that is it. And okay, let's continue. Let's connect these and these together and trim it. We can activate our thick lines so that we can see the sketch properly. I can finish it now. Finish it. That is that. So at this point, I can copy it upward, and I will unselect constraints so that it will be able to go up. Let me activate thin line. Let me save my work. I'll select it again and copy, unselect constraint so that it will be able to go up, and make sure it's touching the roof. That is that, it's touching the roof. And I'm going to edit it while it is selected. Edit sweep, sketch path, go to site is okay. I'm going to remove all these and pick line. If I like, I start from here and then select modify so that we can exit from every other command that has been on and pick another command. Let's finish it now. Let's finish it and we go to our 3D. Let's see what we have created. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's good. The design is good. Okay, so that is how you can create concrete fascia. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video. Bye.